Hey guys, so a few of you are wondering how to do a magnet into a 3D print in the middle and hide it afterwards. So I'm going to show you how you pause those settings in your slicer and talk you through how I inset my magnets, make sure they're real secure before I replay my print and get them all hidden and nice and pretty looking in my prints. So I'm going to go over that for y'all. So to show you how to pause your print and schedule in a pause to put in a magnet, I'm going to go slice our file, go over to our preview, and then you have all your layers down here, right? So you're going to right click on that little plus symbol and do add pause right there. And then you're going to want to reslice your file. And you see it will have a little pause scheduled right over there. See, boom. Boom, there it is. So that's going to pause your print for you automatically while you're running. Then you can go set in your magnets. I'm going to go over how I do those specifically. And then on your printer, you'll be able to resume print after I've finished with my pausing. And then it should print like normal. All slicers, y'all know, are a little bit different. So your pause setting may not look exactly like this, but it will be on this little scroll line wherever you look at all your different layers. You should either have a little plus symbol next to it or clicking on it, something like that. And that's where you're going to see that pause layer option, that add pause option. So once you get your print paused while it's printing, I tend to pause my layer at the very, very top layer of where I want to put in my magnets before it prints over, bridging over that little gap there. That way your print head isn't going to hit that magnet that you have set in there when you resume it. So what I do is I'll get a teeny tiny dab of like super glue. I will set in my magnets, kind of hold them there, make sure that they're kind of cured. Sometimes I'll step away, give them a second to cure, make sure that glue really dries, and then I will actually grab a pair of pliers usually and just hover it over the top of that magnet to make sure that magnet's really stuck in there and it's not going to pop out when the tool head comes over it, because the magnets will sometimes magnetize to the tool head and kind of jump around funny, and we do not want that. So I'll make sure, double checking with those pliers to make sure my magnet is really set in there, and then I'll click resume on my printer and it'll go back to printing like normal. Usually I'll sit and I'll watch and make sure it bridges over the gap of that magnet good, because I'm a little bit paranoid. But once it does that, then you can step away, do whatever you want, and your print will finish with a secret little magnet inside. So hopefully that's helpful, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.